Northern cardinal bird normally do not sit to incubate eggs until she has finished laying. But unfortunately, may no longer be able to hatch this egg. I have a cardinal here by the window. It's making a nest here. This is a rose plant. The northern cardinal keeps on coming back, making nests. Here she comes again. There she is. Yeah, she went away. She's going again. It took a while for the bird to come back with material for the nest. She's there. I believe, kaya siya natatagalan. Meticulously pick the kind of nest. Here comes another bird. This is not the female cardinal. I would say an intruder. At times, the male northern cardinal comes in with materials for the nest too. We just learned that northern cardinal birds lay and incubate eggs 2 to 4 at a time. really don't understand why this bird always leave her nest late in the afternoon. So let me see if there's there's just one. But why she leave this every night and come back in the morning? Interesting. 8 o'clock in the morning, and the female cardinal left yesterday late afternoon and hasn't come back yet. Ideally, bird eggs must be stored at 59 degrees Fahrenheit temperature. Last night, the temperature fell as low as 47 degrees Fahrenheit. Without the female cardinal sitting on the egg, this temperature surely caused damage to the internal structure of the egg, meaning this egg could no longer be hatched. And indeed, the female cardinal didn't come back.